Guys, if you like to know how I did this beautiful wall decor chandelier wall art, so fabulous, so nice. If you like to know how I done it, stay tuned and find out more, and I promise you, you will not regret it. It's so easy to make that you will fill all your walls with them. Thank you. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Like, subscribe, and comment down below. Bye.
Bless, no man can curse. Yeah, you're a blessing, baby. I must confess. Yeah, you be the woman of my dreams, and I love you to death. Yeah, you be my queen, my love. I will call you your highness. Yeah, baby Bugatti, you be royalty. Yeah, baby Bugatti, you be royalty. Baby Bugatti. Baby Bugatti, yeah, you be royalty, yeah, yeah. Eti baby Jimario, yeah. It be you I want to.
Hi guys, it's me, Priceless Beauty. Today I'm going to be doing DIY bubble mirror, wall mirror. So to do this, I bought leftovers that was left from the Christmas from the pawn shop, and I got a glue. So you need the glue and this bubble for Christmas decoration, and I bought some beads and this Christmas beads as well. So to do this, we're going to be using this plate. I've already glued one and I've waited 15 minutes for it to dry. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go on the line where the glue was put. Remember, you need to leave the glue on for about 15 minutes before it will stick to it. So I've already put my glue on and waited 15 minutes. So now I'm just going around with the beads. I'm going around with the beads. I'm just gonna be sticking the beads around it. So I'm sticking the, hope you can see well, sticking the beads around it. I think I cut a bit longer, so I need to cut. And then when it gets to the just cut it and just stick the last one there. So then it looks like this, and it's not going to come off. Hope you can see it well. The second bit I'm going to put in is I've also glued around. I hope you can see the glue. I've glued around there. So I'm going to be putting this. This was also bought from the pawn shop, from the leftovers of Christmas decoration leftovers. So I put a glue on and wait for 15 minutes for it to get really tacky.
Girl, I had sleepless nights thinking on how to make you mine. Oh,
if we wait too much, the glue will dry. So you wait for about 15 minutes. You just put it there and you press it down, and then it will stick to the glue.
So everything we are using today is from the pound shop, and this is how it looks like. Already looking beautiful now. So the bubble, when it comes, you got this on the bubble, so you just, it's like that, so you just twist it and it comes off like that. And I've put a glue on it and waited for 15 minutes. So all you do is to stick the two of them together like this. So I stick the two of them together, hope you can see, and then I get something like this. Also, I want to make it a bit more pretty, so I cut small pieces of these beads, like the beads, the gold one, and I'm gonna go around it like that. So then I'll put a glue there, go around like that, then I'll put a glue there, and then I just stick it together like that. After about 15 minutes it will stick. I did put the glue there, but I put it on the wrong place. Yes, so after 15 minutes it sticks, and it's like this. Just give it a bit more really unique and beautiful. So then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be, I'll go off and put all the beads around this one, but before I go off, I'm going to be putting the glue to the place where I'm going to be sticking the bubbles. So I just first try to measure it and see the intervals where they will be going, so I know where to put the glue. So I'm just gonna go around it like that all the way, so I know where to put the glue. So I've put the beads around all of them, and this is how they look like. This is how they look like. So I'm going to be putting glue on the plate to get where to put the bubbles. So I'm going to be putting glue to where I'm going to be sticking it to the plate like that. Wait 15 minutes for it to go tacky, and then I place it on the plate. So I'm going to be doing all of them like that. It's easier than placing the glue on the plate. After a few minutes, I'll get it and I'll just place it on the plate like that. Hope you can see it. So I'm going to be placing more there. I'll place it there like that, making sure they stick to the plate and they stay together.
Hi guys, unfortunately the bubbles were not enough, so I've got some space in it which I do not intended for. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be placing these beads in between it to at least close the gap and give it a different look. Just use my imagination. So I'm placing the gold beads in between like that. I've already put glue on it. I've already put glue on the plate, and I'm just going round like that. If the space is big, I put 2 of them. So if you want to recreate this, you can use your imagination and just create it in your own way. It doesn't have to be the exact style. Remember, this is not the style that I was really going for, but because it's not enough, I'm just putting these ones in the middle. So I'm going around. Putting this one in between. Hope you can see. Just placing them in between like that. Just place it in between. If the gap is big, I place, so I put a bit more glue. I'm running out of glue. Yes, I put a bit more glue there. This time I'm not going to wait 15 minutes. It will dry. So I'm going to do that and come back. So guys, we finished. As I said, the bubbles were not enough, so I just used my imagination to decorate it differently, and this is how it came out. It came out really beautiful. I'm really impressed. This is how it came out, and I left it a few hours for it to dry. So this is how it looks like. So I'm gonna hang it on the wall, and then you see. Of course, I didn't put any mirror in the middle because this is a reflective plate, and as you can see the phone in the middle. It just works like a mirror. So it turned out really pretty, just like I wanted it. Even though the bubbles were not enough, but I think it's really pretty. I also put a little bit of us, you can see, yeah, like this glitter, what is it called, gems. Yeah, it's self-adhesive one in between the beads, just to give it a little bit of a blend. Yeah, so this is how it looks like now. This is the final. I hope you like it. So I'm gonna hang it on the wall, and then you can see how it looks like on the wall. So to hang it on the wall, I'm gonna turn it upside down like that, and I'm
I'm going to use the same glue that I use for everything, and I'm going to put some of the glue on the middle. Just spread it a little bit. I will leave it for 15 minutes for it to get tacky, and then I'll go and put it. Looks like it's not in the middle, but it's in the middle. When you are sitting here, it's in the middle. Okay. So I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes for it to get all tacky. Just put enough there so it will stick well. And of course, there's a way not to use nails on your wall, and you can use this glue, and it's only £1 from the pound shop. You can use this glue to hang all your pictures on the wall. And yeah. So guys, this is how it looks like after I've hung it on the wall. So this is how it looks like. Looks really pretty. I hope you like it, and I hope this inspires you with your home decor if you are planning to decorate your room. So please like, subscribe, and comment down below. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below to help me with my YouTube channel. It's very important you like and comment down, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye. I'm in love with this mirror bubble. It's so pretty, and I'm going to make another one for this side of the wall.